Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this T-shirt from Snapdeal, which I purchased for 280 rupees. And before going any further, I just unbox this digital weighing machine and this sealing machine, heat sealing machine. See here, this heat sealing machine for proper sealing of the food materials like this, in your home. This will be very useful, one of the kitchen gadgets under 200 rupees, and this is 270 rupees. I just did the unboxing. You can find those links in the description. See here, this is the product what I'm talking about. Up to 10 kg you can weigh this, and this is the Indus Valley Precision Tawa. Okay, not that car. See here, this is 1020 grams, you can say 1.02 kilo. And this by using this is the rechargeable. Okay, this is also rechargeable, and this is also rechargeable. This comes with the adapter, and this comes with the what is this charging cable. You can just plug in here inside this, and you can keep it with the mobile charger. You can press and seal the food. If you want review unboxing videos of this, just find in the description. Now we'll just try to unbox this t-shirt from the Snapdeal, which I purchased. Yeah, see, I'll check the quality of this product, and I'll share you the complete details about this t-shirt. And usually I purchase on Amazon and Flipkart, but this time, as I like this t-shirt, from the Snapdeal I purchased. This is not a promotional video to purchase or something like that. See here, this is the t-shirt which I am unboxing now. MD by Mathra Das Men Cotton Blend Regular printed polo t-shirt. Okay, the fabric, what I saw on the image and here, looks very similar. That is one thing I'm very much satisfied. And within this price range, I need to just test the quality of the t-shirt. And once I wear this, I'll talk about the fitting also. Where is this? How can I open it? Yeah, micro polyester sort of fabric. See here, the quality and the printing quality is pretty good. So what I can say is the fabric quality is decently good, and as in the image on the website, see, the looks are very similar. And coming to the print, very decent. So please do comment how do you feel about this t-shirt, and let me just wear this once, and I'll talk about the fitting quality. Okay, just now I wore this t-shirt. This is looking pretty good. I'm not saying this is solid, but you can say semi solid, not fully solid t-shirt, but yeah, the fabric quality is pretty good, and the fitting is also very nice. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. For the unboxing of videos of these three, 1 2 3 and this one third, you can just find in the description. Along with this, I also ordered this water gun. Maybe I'll be posting this water gun in the upcoming videos. If you want that video also, check in the description or just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.